seen them yet. So.
Let's hear it.
Okay, so this comment is from our episode with Beauty. It's from Mehetabel Turks. Ang gaganda nila, pero that is not right na masyadong madaldal while driving. Dapat wala or very less ang distraction ng driver.
Tama naman.
Tama naman. Totoo naman dapat less distraction talaga while driving.
Oo nga, but that wouldn't make good TV.
Totoo yan. Tsaka ano naman, in fairness, we're actually very, very safe when we do this.
Yeah, I'm very focused.
I get kind of anxious in the car when it's too quiet. Like, some people are like that, so.
Tsaka student driver so, you know, I have to like describe stuff. So, of course, I'm gonna talk, right?
Ako na lang yung tatahimik.
Okay.
Focus na lang ako.
Okay, next one. This is from the episode with Rhian Ramos. Oh, the lovely poem said, Rhian is a great instructor, calm, collected, and thorough. Yeah, she was actually pretty good. Diba? I said, parang it's the most success we've had. Like with her teaching, because she had like terminologies that I couldn't teach like right away.
I mean, of course she would be a good teacher. She's a race car driver. She's like so good and behind the wheel. So probably one of the better guest teachers we had. No?
Next, also from that same episode, Bao T said, I wish more blogs were like this. I'm not against with the GRWM. I don't know what that means. How I do my makeup, etc. But you'd actually learn something from this. I hate driving, but these women make me want to conquer the road later. Haha.
Well, that makes me really happy. I don't know what GRWM is, but that comment really makes me happy because that's what we've been trying to do. Like, we started with wanting to empower me, then realized that other people were like me. So we hope that we are kind of succeeding in empowering more women to drive.
Yeah, when we think of our episodes, we also try to think of like, okay, what are we trying to teach here and how can we actually inform people of certain things, right?
We always thought that like the heart and soul of the show would be to empower women and empower women drivers, but we always try to like insert the things that we really care about. Okay, so this next comment is from Iya Consenko. I love the concept of this segment. It shows how women can actually take over the wheel literally and figuratively. I love that comment.
How do you feel now, like, at least knowing how to drive a little bit?
I definitely feel like a lot more comfortable behind the wheel now. Like, I was actually telling my husband na I was so happy kasi talagang may natututunan ako. I mean, I'm super busy, right? So if not for the show, I don't think I would have even had the time to, you know, kind of really learn, because for the people out there that don't know, like, sometimes when we shoot, I really just get in the car and we just really like, you know, try to learn. Like, you're really like seeing raw footage of me learning.
Learning how to drive is actually such a commitment already in
it's
itself.
A commitment
But
talaga.
what we're doing now, we're filming it, like, it's double the commitment.
Yeah, I think it's more than double the commitment for sure. But we're hoping that through this, other people will be more enticed to kind of drive and learn themselves and set aside time for the things that you want to learn, and it's never too late to start something new.
And I think one reason why I feel passionate about doing it as well is because I really enjoy driving. And I feel like that's a pleasure that I want to share with people, with my friends. I really like going on road trips. And the empowering feeling that I feel when I'm behind the wheel, that I can go somewhere by myself without having to think of like, who's gonna drive me, how am I gonna get there, what car am I going to drive.
Yeah.
So that's something that I want to share with everyone, and also like encourage women like with you. Now you're never gonna have a problem, hopefully, to get where you need to be. Ooh, episode with Burger.
This is the Burger episode. I love this episode. He was so cute. Okay, so this is from Juliet Cortez. Oh wow, I love that Bianca knows some and understands Ilocano. You go, girl. I want to see a movie or a drama where there's some Ilocano speaking. That would be amazing to watch and something new. I bet that will make a good rating.
I think people are starting to use dialects already in movies. And though they are, but there is not a film yet. There's not a local film yet that's been done in Ilocano.
We'll do what we can. Marunong lang ako, diba? Pero, sorry, English is spoken lang ako eh. Yeah, I only speak English, so unfortunately, English Tagalog. But I think we're gonna try to learn. Maybe we should like guest someone who can speak Ilocano.
Well, Beauty's gonna teach us how to speak Bisaya. I think the one person that can teach us how to speak Ilocano is Mayaya.
Oh, guess
Si
natin
Manang
siya.
Bell. Ilocano lessons with Manang Bell. Okay, this is from the Mari episode. Jashelle Rhian said, "Whoa! Indicated! British for signaled, I presume.
I feel like if I indicated, someone would hopefully let me in. And
If I indicated, people would let me go through or something like that. Meaning if she signaled." In the episode with Cats and Alley, Noemi Aldea said, "Please continue making this kind of videos. I hope I can drive not only in our subdivision but also in public roads and highways."
Awesome.
Super love this episode. Daming wisdom. That's from the episode with Iza.
Oh,
daming
yes.
wisdom. Maraming wisdom talaga.
Marami talagang wisdom. Kasi,
Diba yun?
I mean, we really want naman to impart wisdom to people.
We try.
We try. But we also enjoy taking in other people's wisdom.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
one of the most fulfilling parts of what we've been doing, aside from me learning how to drive, is that I really love having our friends as guests and being able to talk about issues that we wouldn't really think about talking sometimes. It's really great to have our friends as guests because we kind of learn something from them also.
And it's these meaningful conversations that we have with them, right? Like maybe if we were hanging out with them at dinner, this wouldn't necessarily be something that we would talk about because it would be more just about catching up or chismisan.
Yeah, like you don't really want to bring up road safety during dinner, but it's an opinion that I want to know from my friends.
And this episode with Iza was about body love, so that was a really good topic and lots of really empowering topics for women in that episode with Iza. There's also another comment from Simple Casey Vlogs. Ang hirap mag-drive sa Manila, iba sa US, wala traffic. Di traffic kaya sa US, sa LA. LA is known for their traffic. Freeways. Alright, and that was it for the comments. For now.
For now. So just keep commenting, guys.
Keep commenting.
You know, honestly, like reach out to us, comment, because we read that stuff. We really do.
We want to know what you think of the show or what else you think we should do or who we should have on. Pag sa guest, dapat kakilala ko kasi kapag hindi ko kakilala, mahirap mag-guest ng artista.
So pag nakita ninyo na nasa Instagram na namin,
Friend
pwede
ko
na!
yun. Friend ko yun.
Like this video and of course, please subscribe to the Bianca King channel and make sure to hit the notification bell to make sure that you know when we drop our new videos.
Follow us on Facebook, Riding in Cars with Girls for exclusive content, and also follow Riding in Cars with Girls on Instagram and Bianca_King.
And Sambie Rodriguez.